Okay, I'll put it this way. I thought it would be cool to make some mead. I saw a video and I was like, what if I did a video of me following the video? Kind of. Wow, I'm really scared and embarrassed. Okay, so don't know how much the last video got. So here's the plan. Take this, right? Dump out half of this, right? Half of this is gonna go into a cup. Probably a cup like this, right? So once I do that, we're gonna take that, we're gonna put some honey in it, right? I just got whatever store brand honey I can find. Take the store brand honey, put about 3 pounds of this into whatever the half jug is left in that, right? So you gotta disinfect everything. Disinfect everything you're gonna be using. I'm not using this, but I'm using it now. Throw a couple of raisins in it. And you get this, right? Just take this. Only you understand me, potato. Okay. This is working out. This should be a workout. That looks all nice and mixed up. A little bit of bubbles. That's okay. So next, supposedly, I'm supposed to put the yeast in. But also I know that's like the last step. I don't have a vacuum seal. So I decided to get balloons. Get a knife and, you know, poke holes in the balloon like a crazy bitch would poke one in a condom. One more for safety. So I wasn't exactly sure how much to put in. Ooh. So it says you're supposed to put with 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna abide by that. A little bit for good luck. Get the balloon, cover that up with the balloon. Now supposedly, this should make some sort of mead. I thought I would just give it a shot, try it out, see what happens. I think I'm supposed to activate it first. We'll see how it turns out. Jumping back to what I was supposed to do. Water, half of this, cut that in half. Honey, where for the sugars, I put about 3 pounds of the honey in there because I need that approximately that much sugar. Put a few raisins in to help with the activation of the yeast. So hopefully the yeast will sit fine in there. Well, the yeast is eating up the sugars. The CO2 created from that is going to come out this little balloon thingy here. I'm told I'm also supposed to keep this in a nice, not relatively warm or relatively cold environment and a dark. So I'm gonna do that, and that's it for this. You can check back here in like 2 weeks where I try to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thanks. My mom got me flowers.
Oh,